What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new video on my channel. I saw KJ's show. Nah, just kidding. I didn't see a show. But, as Winter Slam, instead of it's called Summer Slam, I'm gonna tell this fast. Instead of it's called Summer Slam, it's called Winter Slam. Demon J will face Big Monkey because King J, if you saw the last video, if you saw the video yesterday, that's a trailer. If you saw the wrestling video yesterday when he fought with the Big Monkey and he lost. If you haven't seen that video, go and see that before. And then watch this video before you watch the trailer. But, yeah, so he turned to the demon, and I'm the guy that helps him. Off the commentary behind it all yesterday. I'm the new commentator for King J, just hired me. And we buddies already, and I'm scared, I'm even scared to talk to him. But that's why I turned into a demon, so I'm not even scared to talk to him. So I'm not talking to him either. I understand if you guys don't say it in the comments because he's really not going to see them. But I help him with his channel, so if it get pinned, liked, it's probably me. And when King J is back to normal, it's probably going to be him. But when King J is back to normal, instead of not being a demon, then he's going to face Big Monkey for this championship right here. Wait just a sec. Wait just a sec. I'm not King J, just promise you. I promise you I'm not King J. And here we got Bad Boy. What's to say? Don't my championship, so when King J's not dealing anymore, Big Boy. That's laying over there. And you can see him over there. Then, facing him, he's going to be facing him for the championship. Let's see who retains. If will King J retain or will he lose it? Find out. Big Monkey says he's gonna lose it. But the trailer is out on the channel. There will be posters for you to know the match if you can't read. There will be a poster for the match. I'm finding the poster list right now. It's gonna be inside, not outside. Crazy, right? It's going to be winter when you make that video, but here we go. The poster for it. The poster. So people better watch out for him because it's a dark match, so it's inside this room, I think. Hopefully they're not gonna trash the whole place. But it's a dark match. And there's a trailer out on the YouTube channel, King J Wrestling. There's a trailer out for videos, so go out and watch that, and I'm not King J, I promise you. Promise you I'm not King J. But see you in my next video. See you in King J's next video, if it's going to be a wrestling video match or anything, I don't know. You can see clearly if you're not King J. I maybe sound like I get that a lot, I sound like him. Doesn't matter. See you in the next video. Should I beat this man up right before I go? Let's do that. Let's do that real quick. Yeah, I beat this man up too. I like to do that. I know moves as well, so maybe I will fight King J one day. But, I have to think King J, that I'm the guy that the commentary just hired me. I'm gonna be the commentary for his matches. But, I just figured out that I need a match. It's gonna be fat, I have to need a match. I need a match and it has to be fast. King has to book a match for me. King has to book a match for me. Because I want to fight that big monkey or another guy. His book the match. Yes, sir. See you in my next video, peace. And King, next wrestling video, what it will be, peace. See ya.